Hello everyone. I understand some of you are having problems navigating the MDE website and getting your science data, so I'm going to show you how you do that. Go to the data center on the MDE website. Go down to data for parents and educators. Wait for the spinning wheel. And then I think the best two spots to look at are these first two areas: how are students performing academically, and are students meeting academic standards. This is going to give you percentage proficient. This is going to give you by level. So I'll start with percentage proficient, and then instead of saying statewide, I'm going to click the down arrow, but then I'm going to type in R, just one R. That gets me to the R's in the list, and then I can scroll down to Roseville. And then I can pick a specific school. For demonstration, I'm going to pick Falcon Heights. Then I'm going to click for educators. It's going to give me a spinning wheel again, and then we'll wait for a little bit until it pops up. And then, once it's popped up, sorry for the awkward silence there, then you can see pretty quickly the different assessments. So this right now is math. So I think most of you are wanting to look at science. So you click the down arrow and you click science. As soon as you do that, it should pop up with a trend line. And there it is. So Falcon Heights saw a big uptick this year with science, going from 45.6% to 69% proficient. And then you can see kind of the state and the district and how they traveled along there. I'll show you the other one quickly, which is to, if you want to look at the levels, you don't have to go back. You can just drop that down here and now go to the academic standards. Wait for the spinning wheel of death, and oh, that was quicker this time. And now you can see actually this how it compares in science, and it actually shows the state comparison over there too. There was 8.6% of the students at Falcon were in the exceeds. It's a little bit lower than the state in the exceeds at 12.4, but that is all grades, and this would be 5th grade. So if we wanted to compare, we could drop that down a little bit, but then you can see by each there's a much larger band here in the meets, and then in the partially meets, and then in the does not meet. The way to get this one just to the grade level you want to look at, you can drop down here, and since we know that Falcon Heights only has science tests in 5th grade, you can drop in 5th grade, and then this will change the comparison over here. So now we're just talking grade 5, and you can see 8.6 versus 12.0, 60.3 versus 45.9, so on and so forth. So that's how you get to your science data. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call.